Welcome to Cozy Pass. In this session, we will see more about quick ordering. Quick service or quick ordering is nothing but where customer will come to the counter, will place an order, will pay the bill and will take that order from the counter itself. Now we can order the products like this. Suppose we want to order it from other departments, we can click on other department and we can order the products from the department like this. Also, we can switch from one menu to other menu. Currently we are in Indian menu. Suppose we want to switch it to other menu, we can click on this. Now once I clicked on Chinese menu, we are switched in Chinese menu. You can find all the products in Chinese menu. These are the departments and these are the products included that department. We can order it like this. This is multi-menu concept. Now at the bottom you will find two buttons as pay and hold or recall. Here we can directly pay an order, or else we can hold this order or transaction like this. Then it will ask for the hold ID. We can give hold ID as a sequence number or name or anything with which we can track the holded transaction. For now we will enter hold ID as 1001. Once we click on OK, now you can find the order is on hold. Now we will click on the same button, that is hold or recall. Once we clicked on this button, now again we can find the recalled order with hold ID 1001. We can search the holded order from name or hold ID from here. Now we'll select this holded order. This will again come to the billing screen. Suppose we want to add anything to this order, we can add like this. Then finally we can pay by clicking on pay. You can find payment methods, that is cash, credit card, debit card, check, and if other than this any payment method is there, we can add it to our payment list. Also we can do partial payment, means some amount with the cash, some amount with the credit card, etc. Now we'll click on cash. Now the order got completed. Here at the bottom you will find more options. These buttons we can make as configurable. As we added these buttons, like we can select the customer from this button. We can maintain customer data and we can select the customer from here. We can add that customer, we can edit that customer, we can select that customer. View or cancel invoice. We can see all the invoices from here. This is permission based. All the invoices you will find it from here. You can search the invoices with bill number. Then we can print last invoice. Also we can give percentage discount to our invoice. So this is all about quick ordering. Thank you.